So let's start with the first question. The first question states, a man invests rupees 9600 on rupees 100 shares at rupees 80. So I'll spend some time because this is the first question in this series of 5 questions that I'll be doing. I'll be spending more than required time on this question. Uh, so if a man invests 9600 on rupees 100 shares at rupees 80, so first let's understand what is the meaning of this rupees 100 shares and what is the meaning of this rupees 80. So rupees 100 shares is what is called the nominal value or the face value. If you look at your textbook, they would have used terms like nominal value, face value, printed value. So, in a way, you can say that this is the original price of the share. This is the price of the share in the company records. And this is very important. This nominal or face or printed value is very important because the dividend would be calculated at this amount only. Please understand this. The dividend would always be connected to the nominal or the face value or the printed value. I just will show you a small example. So this is like one of the IPOs, Kalamandir IPOs, which was there. Now, these kind of advertisements you will keep seeing in the newspapers also. So share of face value of rupees 10. Rupees 10 is the face value. This is the value of the share in the company records. And whenever this company declares a dividend, it will give the dividend as a percentage of rupees 10. So please understand this. Now, so I think you would have understood the meaning of this rupees 100 shares. What is the meaning of rupees 80? Rupees 80 is the market value of the share. This is the price at which the share is being bought and sold in the market. So usually what happens is that, let us say the company will take this example only. Let us say that the nominal value of the share was rupees 100. Now the company is not doing very well or the sentiment is weak in the market. So the price will come down. And when the price comes down, we say that the share, so for example, in this case, the price is rupees 80. So we'll say that the rupees 80. So we'll say that the share is available. This is 80. So we'll say that the share is available at discount, or we'll say that it is available below par. But let us say that the company is doing well or the market is doing well. The sentiment is very positive. Indian economy is doing very well. So in that case, the price of this share might be rupees 120. Now, when the price is above the nominal face value, then we say that the share is available at premium or it is at above par. In a case where the market value is equal to the face value, that is what is called at par. So 100 rupees share is available at par. Now, these terms are very important because this can be a sort of a small MCQ also, one number MCQ also that you get in the first section A. So my suggestion to you would be that spend some time to understand these terms, very important, and this will help you in see how I see it is this is part of financial literacy. So you should understand these terms well. Coming back to the question, the man has invested rupees 9600. So he invested rupees 9600. Okay. The share was available at rupees 80. Okay. In the market, it is available for 80. So how many shares would he have got? He would have got 120 shares. I hope this is clear. Now, there are two ways of doing these questions. You can follow formulas. You can, write formulas and refer to the formulas, or you can apply simple logic. So for example, in this case, if you like the formulas, then this is the formula that I have applied. The number of shares is equal to uh, his investment upon the market value. This is MV is market value of one share. So this is the first formula that I've applied in this question. So number of shares is 120 shares. Okay. What's the second question? The second question is his total dividend. See, how many shares has he got? He has got 120 shares. What is the face value of the share. The face value of the share is 100. What is the dividend that is being paid? The dividend that is being paid is 18%. So 18% would be written as 18 upon 100 from our basic arithmetic. And once I calculate this, so 18 into 12, 120, this would be rupees 2160. You can calculate and this would be the answer. I have already done it. 2160 is the correct answer. The third is his percentage return on the shares. So now, for example, if you want to calculate the percentage return on the share, again you can follow this. The second formula is income upon investment into 100. This is the rate of return. But we can apply simple logic also, that he has earned this much amount. What did he invest? He invested 9600. So all that I need to do is 2160 upon 9600 into 100. I can calculate the percentage. This would be 22.5%. And 22.5% would be the answer. So, the first thing that you need to understand is how do we, read the first line. So, for example, I'll give you few other examples. So, buy 62 shares available at 132, par value is rupees 100. So, rupees 100 is the par value and it is available at 132. So, it is available at a premium. Now, this dividend of 7.5%, please remember, this will be only applicable at rupees 100. Let's take another example. Ram Gopal invested rupees 8,000 in 7% shares on 100 rupees shares at rupees 80. Now, this might seem confusing, but what you need to understand is that this is the nominal value, the face value. Rupees 80 is the market value. This is the market value. This is the nominal value. This is the dividend. 7% dividend would be paid on the nominal value only. Please remember that. Another question. Raju invests 4,500 rupees in 8%, 10% shares at rupees 15. So remember, 10 is the nominal value. 15 is the market value. Now, if you see, this is available at premium. Like we did. So this might come as a sort of MCQ also. So please remember the terms which are being used: nominal value, face value, printed value, market value, at par, at premium, above par, at discount, below par, and dividend is applicable on the face value. It is not applicable on the market value. These are the formulas that you can use. And let's go to the next question now. Let's go to the next